People were shooting fireworks already. And last night, in the bathroom, I look out the window. I don't know if it was strobe lights in the air falling down. And the story said maybe someone was shooting fireworks. I said maybe that's what it was. It looked like someone flashed a whole bunch of strobe lights in the sky coming down. And that's probably what it was, fireworks. Probably a newfangled kind of firework. There are people shooting fireworks, and it's July 1st. It's not July 4th. It's July, and people are starting early, July 1st in 2025, instead of July 4th. The sun was yellow. A lot of people know it, but it's because it's God's timetable. It's getting close to him coming back. He said he's going to turn the sun extra white, in other words, intense bright, turn the sun up extra hot. And when you turn something extra hot, it's going to turn white. That's part of Pastor Woko's message. Well, I told Pastor Mike Asher will say the same thing. Pastor Mike Asher. Because the Earth's protective layers are open up to let the red sun rays in. They usually are shot back out in outer space. But now they're coming to Earth, and that's probably a part of the reason why the sun is now white. And everything is so intense and burns. And it's not a soft yellow anymore. That's why everybody likes to stay outside anymore. It's too hot out, and it irritates and burns the skin. When the sun was yellow, everybody could stay outside and play all day long. And we colored everything yellow if it was a yellow sun. Crayons used to have the word yellow on it, or sun yellow. Well, strange that I'm recording the fireworks that are going on. It's almost like they now got the camera on. And when they cut the camera off, they go boom, boom, bang, 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 boom. Kind of funny if you think about it.